Let's open up a couple Monster Jam 2-packs and have a little fun in the snow. These 4 will be in the next King of the Hill. There you have it. These 4 are going to battle in the snow. Who you got? The Ice Edition or the Fire Edition? Let's do some racing. There you have it. Heat 1. Wow. Talk about close. The Yeti pulls it out. Let's switch them up. I hope you guys are paying attention. These 2 are going to be in the next King of the Hill. Advantage, Yeti over Wildfire. Can he knock him out? Yes, he does. All right, Yeti moving on. He can wait over here by the big guys. Wildfire, close, but he's out. We got the 2 Monster Mutts up next. This is the Husky version and the Ice version. Wow, what a close race, but the Fire, the first win. Switch them up. Fire Edition with the advantage. Holy cow, that was a tie, but we're gonna move this guy on to face the Yeti. And here it is, our little mini tournament. Who's gonna be the king of the 2-packs? We have the Ice Edition Yeti going against the Fire Edition Monster Mutt. Who do you have? Let's find out. Here we go. Wow, not even close. The Yeti with the first win. Switch him up. I'm telling you, this Yeti's quick. He's heavy. Can he take it right here? Here we go. Yes, he does. It is all over. Looking forward to seeing this guy in the King of the Hill. Let's do some jumping.